morning, guys. I just woke up. You can see the view behind me. I'm gonna head to Kotor city right now. I'm a little bit outside the old town, so I'm gonna head to the old city. But first, I want to have some breakfast and coffee, and then begin my day in the old town center. And then I'll explore the Kotor city and the areas around the Bay of Kotor. So we'll see.
A coastal town located in the secluded part of the Bay of Kotor. The port of Kotor is surrounded by fortification built during the Venetian period. Centuries of Venetian rule has given the city its distinct architecture, contributing to its inclusion in the UNESCO's Cultural Heritage List. So this is the harbor area. There are a lot of tourists rent boats here and then go out in the bay. That's called the Bay of Kotor. It's a very famous touristic point, and it all begins here. And it's a beautiful view. And look at that, it's an old castle. During the First World War, Kotor was one of the three bases of Austro-Hungarian Navy. After 1918, it became a part of Yugoslavia, and in 1941, during the Second World War, it was annexed by Italy. How much? To begin my exploration of the Bay of Kotor, I'm taking a local bus to Pirast, a small picturesque town located about 15 kilometers from the old town. Pirast is a small town with incredible scenic views of the bay surrounded by the mountains. One of the town's most prominent landmarks is Our Lady of the Rocks, a beautiful island church located just a short boat ride away from the town's shoreline. The church was built in the 17th century, and according to local legend, it was erected in honor of the Virgin Mary after a group of fishermen discovered a miraculous icon of her on a nearby rock. Our Lady of the Rock is a stunning example of Baroque architecture with its white stone facade and striking blue dome standing out against the surrounding mountains and sea. The sun is setting behind the mountains, casting a warm glow across the bay. The water ripples gently, reflecting the colors of the sky. It is a perfect time to sit in a comfortable chair, sipping a drink, and taking in the beauty that surrounds you.
Just got back from Pirast to the old town of Kotor. I'm just gonna explore the old city now, the old town, and then head to hotel.
As the day fades into night, the dimly lit old cobble streets take on a magical quality. The street lamps cast a soft glow, their warm light flickering off the rough-hewn stones underfoot. You take a deep breath, inhaling the cool night air and feeling the familiar chill run down your spine. The sounds of the city are muted here, replaced by the gentle murmur of voices and the occasional clack of footsteps on the cobbles.
So I'm back to my apartment. This is where I'm staying tonight. It's not the same as last night where I stayed. That one had a really beautiful view from the balcony that you guys saw in the last vlog. But the thing with that one was, it was a bit too far. It was about like 6 kilometers outside, out of the old town. And for tonight, I want to stay in the old town. So this apartment is right in the old town center, because I have a bus going to Dubrovnik, Croatia tomorrow that is booked for tomorrow morning, and I have to leave early. So that's why I wanted to stay right in the town center, very close to the bus station. So I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'm going to Croatia. It's a short stay because I'm going to Bosnia, and it's short kind of layover in Dubrovnik, Croatia, and then Bosnia, and then back to Croatia before I head further north and west. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next video heading to Dubrovnik, and I'm gonna finish my today's vlog here. I hope you liked today's video. I'll see you soon.